My kids created our company because they wanted to find a solution for other kids. For example, one of our products is actually for students of all ages. It's a backpack insert, it's standalone, but it actually inserts into any existing backpack to evenly distribute the weight of students' tech. Our business is different than other businesses because my kids were the inspiration. They were recently highlighted in the Wall Street Journal. One of our company lines, we actually do patents for people for no cash up front. We'll screen the deal, and community service is actually one of our products. We put bright images in hospital rooms for kids. We do it on a reusable vinyl. It's cost effective and an easy solution to bright. Our customer service is unique because my kids have that perspective. They created the company and they look to solve kids' problems. One of the biggest ones we found is that student textbooks are too heavy for the kids to carry. My name's Mark, and this has been our company's